Hey guys, welcome to ES Futures Review. I'll try to be brief. I'm on a 4-hour chart. Please refer to old videos for what the lines mean. Essentially, the white ones are the most important. Orange are more for profit taking and confluence. I'm looking for my setups typically around the white lines, which what I look for is a reclaim, failed breakdown, or sometimes just a level back test, a simple direct long. So the main thing here is a failed breakdown. You can see one right here, clearly a low is set around 64.60, taken all the way to 65.20 for almost 60 points. A great low. At that point, as soon as we're selling, I'm looking for the failed breakdown right away. Another example would be right here, low was set, we undercut it, and then we got above it. Once you go long, that went for over 30 points. That's an awesome failed breakdown. Another setup right here, clear low, went for 50 points, undercut it, 2 o'clock, failed breakdown, level to level. Love to see it. Anyways, for ES, what I've been looking at is a bull flag that we broke out of, that we back tested a few times, very bullish. We're flagging above that. This could be a changing pattern, potentially a megaphone pattern, but more into that soon. I think I'm at the point now where this is probably not as relevant, and I'm looking at something like this. Let's see, of a trend line, something like this, and I think that is going to be very relevant. I think that's the direct target above, and if and when we get there, we could see a nice sell as price wants to maybe consolidate for a bigger move up. But for now, I'm not really worried about that. I just wanted to mention to you what's going on. Like I said, this flag is what I was looking at, and we ended it the day on Friday right at that flag. Let's go to a 45-minute chart and review what happened Thursday morning as well as Friday morning so I can get you guys up to date. Well, on Wednesday night, actually, the last thing we had was NVIDIA earnings, which undercut this low, reclaimed it. Awesome setup, level to level. If you missed it, we got back down there Wednesday night again for a second entry. That was amazing. Eventually, we reclaimed this level 2. Great acceptance, pushing through, coming down, and then popping back overnight. Obviously, I was asleep. Had a little mini failed breakdown at 9:45 of that low. Great setup. It's exactly what you look for. I'm going to go to a 15-minute chart just to break it down. We had a clear low set here overnight. That went from 64.85 all the way up for 20 plus points. Great quality low. At that point, when I'm waking up, I'm watching for a failed breakdown of that. At 9:45, we got a sell. Perfect. Sold right below. Started pushing through and just consolidated there. Waited for that a little bit. Around 10:15, I saw that we're still staying there, so I took a long around 64.90 with stop loss just 9 points below. Great stop loss in terms of risk reward. And that was a great long for a failed breakdown. Thursday, got to a nice high, almost hit this target. And then from there, we just sold down. Consolidated, sideways selling. Great. This is a great, very bullish. Came down at 5 a.m., hit this exact and bounced for a couple levels. I woke up, saw all this had gone down and had nothing to do but just wait. I had a red line drawn here for this low. I'm anticipating that we can undercut this low, tag this level, and then reclaim the level above for a failed breakdown. And lo and behold, that's exactly what we got. It was pretty fast, but because we had sold a little bit earlier, I was locked in. As soon as we sold this and undercut, waited a few minutes. I got long around 64.62, and then rode that right up, sold some, just held on to a runner, and I've been chilling. When we came back down around 3:45 and then undercut a little bit, it came back up. I added right here because I noticed we had bounced multiple times and then showing some support once again, 4 or 5 point bounce right away. I added to my position. Now I'm long again, going into open. We're right at closing above this middle of the bull flag that we're looking at. Top of the bull flag that we're looking at. I think if we can hold these lows, we should see some upside. If not, ideally some selling. On a 45-minute chart, just to see some clear lows. The one from Friday is a clear setup. If we don't get that, I'd love to flush these lows for a failed breakdown. That's what I'm anticipating for Sunday. These 2 clear lows on the upside, not much else to do.